Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice Diophantine equation. A over 4 is equal to b plus 8 divided by b plus 3. Our job is to find all possible values of a and b such that a and b are positive integers. So let's start. First we use cross multiplication. We multiply this b plus 8 by 4 and we multiply this b plus 3 by a. So this will become a times b plus 3 equal to 4 times b plus 8. Distribute this a, this will become a times b and plus 3 times a equal to 4 times b will become 4b and 4 times 8 will become plus 32. Move this 4b to the left hand side and rearrange these terms. This will become a times b plus 3 times a minus 4 times b equal to 32. From these two terms AB and 3a we can factor out a. In bracket left b plus 3 minus 4 times b equal to 32. Because here we have a factor b plus 3, so to get same factor here b plus 3 we subtract 12 from both sides. From right hand side we subtract 12. So this will become a times b plus 3. From these two terms we can factor out negative 4. In bracket left b plus 3 equal to 32 minus 12, 20. Now this b plus 3 is a common factor, so we factor out this b plus 3 and in bracket left a minus 4 equal to 20. We can rewrite this expression at the left hand side as a minus 4 times b plus 3 equal to 20. Since a and b are positive integers, since a and b are positive integers means that a must be greater than or equal to 1 and b must be greater than or equal to 1. So this expression a minus 4 and this expression b plus 3 are both also positive integers, and this 20 can be factorized as 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, 5 times 4, 10 times 2 and 20 times 1. Since a must be greater than or equal to 1, so this expression a minus 4 must be greater than or equal to negative 3. You can see that all these 6 numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are greater than negative 3, and because b must be greater than or equal to 1, this expression b plus 3 must be greater than or equal to 4. Since this 2 is less than 4, so this will be rejected, and this 1 is also less than 4, this also will be rejected, and we are left with these 4 cases. This is case 1, this is case 2, this is case 3, and this is case 4. First we solve this case 1, 1 time 20. In case number 1, we write these factors a minus 4 times b plus 3 equal to 1 time 20. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 1 and b plus 3 will be equal to 20. A minus 4 will be equal to 1 and b plus 3 will be equal to 20. From this equation, move negative 4 to the right hand side. This will become a is equal to 1 plus 4, and we get the value of a equal to 5. And from this equation, move this 3 to the right hand side. This will become b equal to 20 minus 3, and we get the value of b equal to 17. So from this case we get the value of a equal to 5 and value of b 17. So the first pair for a comma b will be equal to 5 comma 17. Now we solve the second case. In the second case we have 2 times 10. In case number 2, we write this factor a minus 4 times b plus 3 equal to 2 times 10. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 2, and this b plus 3 will be equal to 10. Move this negative 4 to the right hand side. This will become a is equal to 2 plus 4, and a will be equal to 6. From this equation, move this 3 to the right hand side. This will become b is equal to 10 minus 3, and b will be equal to 7. So from this case we get a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 7. So the second pair for a comma b is equal to 6 comma 7. Now we solve the third case. In case number 3 we have 4 times 5. In case number 3, we write these factors a minus 4 times b plus 3 equal to 4 times 5. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 4, and this b plus 3 will be equal to 5. Move this negative 4 to the right hand side. This will become a is equal to 4 plus 4, and a will be equal to 8. From this equation, move this 3 to the right hand side. This will become b is equal to 5 minus 3, and b will be equal to 2. So from this case we get a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 2. So the third pair for a comma b is equal to 8 comma 2. Now we move on to case number 4. In case number 4 we have 5 times 4. In case number 4 we write this expression a minus 4 times b plus 3 equal to 5 times 4. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 5, and this b plus 3 will be equal to 4. Move this negative 4 to the right hand side. This will become a is equal to 5 plus 4, and a will be equal to 9. And from this case, move this 3 to the right hand side. This will become b is equal to 4 minus 3, and b will be equal to 1. So from this case we get a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 1. So the final set of solutions of a comma b will be equal to, the first pair is 9 comma 1, second is this one 8 comma 2, and the third is 6 comma 7, and fourth is 5 comma 17. The third pair is 6 comma 7, and the fourth is 5 comma 17. This is the final answer of this problem.